So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of tracks. And if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can use the time shift tool and then drag around the clips wherever I want right now individually. I can also go around right here onto the selection tool, select out individual tracks together, just like this. But if you want to sync out the tracks together so that you can so that they do not move individually, then you can go around into tracks option right here. Then you can go around into sync lock tracks right here. Once you click on sync lock tracks, then everything is synced out. So if I were to do a selection, you can see the time bound right here, meaning if I were to delete it, then everything else is affected and not only that particular clip. I'm going to press Ctrl Z right here, and what you can also do is you can go around into time shift tool, click and drag this, and now you can see that everything is synced out just like this. So you can go around over here just like this, and if I were to go around onto this, you can see that all of the tracks, they are now moving together now. That means they are all synced out together. So that is how you can sync lock tracks inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.